Welcome children. In the first part of the video we have discussed some questions from exercise 3.7. Now let me discuss some more questions from exercise 3.7. Now the question is the traffic light at three different road crossings change after every 48 second, 72 second and 108 second respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? Now children, you have seen the traffic light. There are red, green and yellow, and they have the different blinking time, means they light up at the different times. Now he's saying the first light re-blink after 48 seconds, second one after 72 seconds, and third one after 108 seconds. Now if they together started means change or blink at 7 a.m. all together at 7 a.m., then after what time they will blink again together, because their blinking time is different. So when once they have started together, but due to the different blinking time they will blink differently, but there will be some common points when they will be blinking together. So that time we have to find after 7 a.m. So this is actually connected to the LCM, because once we find the LCM of these numbers, so we can find the common multiple of these three numbers, and that will be the common time for three lights to be blinking together. So here we have to find their LCM. So what we will do, we will find the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. So let me do 48, 72 and 108. So we are taking the LCM of them. So we can go by 2, 221 ja 36, 54. Then again by 2, again by 2, then we can go by 3, again by 3, then 3, then 7. Now our LCM will be now we multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 24, 72, 72 3 is the it will come 1512 second. Now this is the common time in seconds after which they will blink again. Now it has blinked in 7 a.m. Okay, now we have to see that in 1512 second how many minutes or hours we can have. So let me convert this into minute first. So 1512, if we convert into the minutes, so let me divide by 60. So 180 2 the 312. So it will come now 65 the 300, it will come 12. Okay, now what is this? When we have converted 1512 into minute and second, so it will come 25 minute and 12 second. So 1512 when converted into second, it has come 25 minute 12 seconds. So we can say therefore three lights blink together at, now starting time was 7 a.m. when they have blinked together. Now we are watching that after 7 a.m. they will take 25 minutes 12 seconds. So we will add 7 a.m. 25 minutes and 12 seconds. So this is our answer. 7 AM 25 minute 12 second. So 7:25 और 12 सेकंड पे all the lights will blink together. So this way we will solve this question. Now next question, very important. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves the remainder 5 in each case. Now we have to see such numbers which when divided by these three leaves the remainder 5. So what we will do, first of all we will take out the LCM. So let me find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So it will come 2 3 is 6, 15, 2 9 the 18. Then 3, 1, 5, 3, then 3, 1, then 5. So this way we have taken. So LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So it will come 90. Okay. Now this is the number which is exactly divisible by all these numbers. But we have to find such number when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves the remainder 5. So what we will do, therefore number is, what we will do, we will add 5 into this. So it will come 95. Because 90 is exactly divisible by this, so we have added 5 here, which is the remainder coming in each case. Now it is 95. So whenever we will divide by these numbers, 5 will be the remainder. We can check it also. Suppose 95 we have taken, by 6 we are dividing. 6 1 is 6, 35. 6 5 is 30. So 5 is left. So what we are watching, that dividing by 6, 5 is coming. So this way we have to do this question. Means the remainder will be added to the LCM. Next is, find the LCM of the following numbers. Observe a common property in the obtained LCM is the LCM product of two numbers in each case. So let me find the LCM first. Suppose 9 and 4. Now it will come by 2, 9 and 2, then again by 2, 9 and 1, then by 3, 3 and 1, 3, 1, 1. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 2 to the 4 and 3 3 the 9. So it will come 36. Now what you are observing, children, in this the first number was 4 and second was 9. We are watching that we are multiplying 4 and 9 and LCM is coming 36. So the important property we have to understand here, if we are finding the LCM of two numbers or more numbers and they don't have any common factor like 9 and 4 except 1. If we will see 9 and 4 basically, so 9 and 4 has no common factor except 1. So in such cases when the numbers have no common factor except 1, then what is the LCM? We simply multiply the numbers. Okay, so that way we can find the LCM in shortcut method. Suppose the second number is 12 and 5. Now let me see 12 and 5. Suppose we are doing it by long method. So we will find like this 12 and 5. So again they have no common factor between them. So first by 5, 12 and 1. Then we can go by 2, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 1 ja. Now LCM will be 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now what we are watching? 5 as it is. Now this 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. So two numbers were there with us, 5 and 12, and when we are finding the LCM by long method or direct prime factorization method, we are watching simply we are multiplying them. So it will come 60. So here we have to understand this. If the given numbers have no common factor except 1, by observation if we find this, then we can simply find LCM by multiplying them. Now next question, question number 11. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of other. Now here one number is factor of another. Like 5 is the factor of 20, 6 is the factor of 18. Now we have to look for a special pattern in such type of numbers while finding the LCM. First of all, let me take 5 and 20. So we can do 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. Then we can take 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 1 and 1. So in first case, LCM will be 5 into 2 into 2. So 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. So what we are watching, 5 was the factor of 20, and when we have calculated the LCM of these two numbers, LCM was the second number whose the first number was the factor. It is very simple. What is LCM? The lowest common multiple divisible by all. So if one number is factor of another, LCM will be the greater number. Okay. Same way, suppose we have to find the 6 and 18. So let me take 6 and 18. So let me find their prime factorization. 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 3, 18. So what we are watching, that 6 was the factor of 18. So what is the LCM coming? 18. So if two numbers are there in which one number is the factor of another number, then their LCM will be the another number. So by these shortcuts we can easily find the LCM of two given numbers or like that. Thank you.